Hi guys, this is a short video to show you how to use the new sampler in Logic. So what you want first is you want your Finder window with all of the samples that you want to load into the sampler ready to go. Then what we're going to do is we're going to add a new track. We're going to select Software Instrument, and then in the instruments we're going to select Quick Sampler. We're going to select the stereo version. That will allow us to do stereo effects such as panning and things like that. Let's create that one. Here we go, and what happens is this window opens up, and what we can do is, this is the window here, this is the box where we can load in our sound. So I now go to the Finder window, grab my sound, drag it directly in there, and then what we can see is here's the file's name that's been loaded in, and the sound is an 808 bass, and at the end after the last underscore it says A flat 3, which means the note, the root key, needs to be set to also A flat 3. So all we can do here is type in A flat 3. That didn't work, so we can just move it So A flat is the same as G sharp 3, so flats don't work in this menu, so we have to type in the sharp version instead. But there you are. Now if I load up the keyboard, I'll be able to hear the sample playback using different pitches, and now I can write MIDI information for that, like this. Create a MIDI region, let's just solo it. There we go.